Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buy Reviews channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for honest reviews. The AQUASTRONG 2 HP dual speed pool pump is a compelling choice for both above ground and in-ground pool owners. In this video, we take a close look at its performance, installation process, noise level, energy efficiency, and overall value. First off, the 2 horsepower motor offers an impressive flow rate of up to 5,186 gallons per hour, which is more than enough for medium to large pools. Whether you're running it on high speed for heavy-duty cleaning or switching to low speed for daily filtration, the dual speed functionality gives you the flexibility to conserve energy without sacrificing performance. The 115V setup makes it compatible with most standard home power supplies, which is a big plus for homeowners not want to deal with more complex wiring. Installation was straightforward. This pump comes with clear instructions and standard fittings that make it compatible with a variety of pool plumbing systems. The heavy-duty construction and corrosion-resistant materials suggest durability and long-term reliability, especially if you plan on running in harsh weather conditions or with saltwater pools. Noise levels were another pleasant surprise. Even on high speed, the pump runs relatively quietly compared to other 2 HP models we've tested. On low speed, it's barely noticeable, a big win for anyone who values peace and quiet during backyard pool time. We also appreciated the built-in thermal overload protection, which automatically shuts the pump off if it starts to overheat, offering added safety and extending the motor's lifespan. Overall, the AQUASTRONG 2 HP dual speed pump delivers excellent value. It's efficient, well-built, and easy to use, making a smart investment for anyone looking to upgrade or replace their current pool pump. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this review helpful.